Hi everybody, okay, so this is Mahmood.
And this is Serena.
And we're from Proactive Accounting. Okay, so if you want more than just an accountant, if you want a business rock star with an edge, keep watching.
Thank you very much, Serena. So it's less than 3 months to go for two incredible things that are going to be happening. Number one, it's tax return season and it's coming to the end on the 31st of January 2020. Some important things to think about for the 18-19 tax return. The two things to think about is, do I actually need to do one? Quick run through if it applies to you. If you're self-employed, if you're what's called a higher rate taxpayer, if you're a company director and you're taking more than just a salary out of your company, if you receive child benefit and you happen to be what's called a higher rate earner, earning over 50k, or your partner does, it applies to you. If you want to claim losses on something, it applies to you. If you've sold anything of a capital nature, like investment property, it applies to you. Second consideration is, what do I need to do? First of all, relax and gather together all the important stuff. More critically, make sure you've got a tax reference. It's called a UTR, 10-digit number. If you haven't got one, get off your backside and get it sorted. What else? Gather all the information from those documents like your P60s, P45s, self-employed accounts, property accounts, blah, blah, blah. What's the second thing? Well, at the end of January, we're 25 years in the making. Thank you very much, everyone.
Okay guys, so if you want to make this day great, get sorted. More than just accountants, accountants with an edge, business rock stars, call us.
Ciao.
I wanna be a rock star. Hey, hey, I wanna be a rock star.